Welcome to the module on managing guest expectations and special requests in banquet events. Tracking dietary restrictions and cultural nuances used to mean marking up spreadsheets and hoping for the best. Today, event managers rely on an interconnected digital ecosystem. Imagine overseeing a high-stakes banquet with 1,000 attendees. The operational goal is to maintain the same level of personalized service you would find at an intimate private dinner party. By using technology to anticipate request volume, catering teams can move from reacting to problems as they happen to preparing for them well in advance. This animated diagram shows HubSpot serving as the primary intelligence repository. The central hub builds a multidimensional data profile of the event host and their attendees, using past event feedback and historical interactions. By analyzing that history, the platform anticipates dietary patterns early. For example, it can predict a surge in demand for specific needs, like vegan keto options, allowing the kitchen to secure the necessary ingredients. When a new special request enters the system, automated workflows ensure the executive chef, the floor manager, and the procurement lead all receive the details at the same time. This keeps everyone on the same page and prevents the delays inherent in manual handoffs. Capturing these details early allows the team to propose specific menu adjustments during the first planning session, showing the host that their documented preferences have already been integrated into the current event. Once the event begins, production relies on this floor plan schematic, representing Precitaste, an AI platform acting as the kitchen production manager. It dictates when courses are fired by monitoring the real-time flow of the dining room, tracking metrics like guest arrival speeds and buffet consumption rates. The biggest operational friction point is synchronizing the preparation of a custom, off-menu dietary plate alongside a standard entree. A complex special request requires different pacing than a standard dish, which often leads to plates being ready at different times. To fix this, the system calculates an optimized prep path based on the live dining room data. It dynamically adjusts the exact moment the kitchen fires the custom plate, so both meals finish at the same time. This level of synchronization maintains the theater of service. Every guest sitting at a table receives their plate at once, regardless of how many individual dietary adjustments the kitchen had to manage. Moving out of the kitchen, we see this filtering matrix provided by Deputy. This tool sorts service staff avatars by their specialized skill tags. If a specific VIP table requires high-end wine service, the system automatically assigns an expert sommelier to that table. The platform also handles proactive risk mitigation. If an event requires adherence to complex religious dietary laws, mandatory sensitivity training modules are pushed directly to staff devices 48 hours before their shift. For the visual layout of the event space, catering managers use Canva to generate 3D blueprints. Sharing these visualizations in advance gives the host a clear walkthrough of the space, allowing them to confirm the setup before the day of the event. Now, consider this active recall scenario. An ingredient delay forces a last-minute menu swap an hour before service. Which tool in this digital ecosystem allows you to instantly align guest expectations with reality? The answer is Canva. Because the Visual Suite controls the venue's digital displays, a catering manager can update the menus venue-wide in real time, providing guests with accurate information immediately. After the final course is cleared, this scatter plot matrix, powered by CultureAmp, gathers real-time feedback. By analyzing QR-coded surveys, it measures the exact gap between what guests expected and what they actually experienced. The software isolates this sentiment data to highlight specific team members who excelled at handling difficult requests. This gives management the metrics needed to reward staff based on actual guest feedback. Over time, the system identifies recurring special requests. If guests consistently ask for a specific type of gluten-free bread, the catering department has the data evidence needed to integrate it into the permanent standard menu. The result is a recursive cycle, where each event refines the operation for the next. This ensures that data continually improves the accuracy of the kitchen, while allowing the service staff to focus entirely on the guest experience.